Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the clearance paper plates and party supplies. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now before we take a look at all the items that are included on our clearance list, I do want to make sure that everybody has heard that we are having a 7-day Dollar General clearance event coming up. I have already uploaded a video for you all, so make sure that you check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And it is very likely that these items will be included. So make sure that you stay tuned. I will have more information coming soon. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, in this video, you are going to see a total of 4 different categories where we have paper products, paper plates, cups, and party supplies, along with a few little extras like crayons and coloring books, alright? So just to give you guys a quick run through of all of the categories that you're going to see in this video, we have summer picnic items. Those are currently sitting at 10% off. We also have the patriotic party supplies. Those are dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. We also have our spring stationery and party supplies. Those are also dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. And then last but certainly not least, we have our summer stationery and party supplies also dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, September the 26th. Now, keep in mind that these prices will continue to drop as they move through our clearance cycle. So I will probably be referencing this video quite a lot over the next few weeks, and then eventually these items will penny out. So this is going to be our visual video for our paper plates, stationery, and party supplies. Now, I also want to go ahead and point out that some of these items will have 2 slides. I have included the picture that is on the Dollar General app, as well as the pictures that I took in store. I didn't want those pictures to go to waste, so I went ahead and included them in this video for y'all. But you guys, let me know, which one do you prefer down in the comment section below? Do you prefer the in-store pictures that I take myself, or would you rather just see the picture that shows up in the Dollar General app? Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, and I just wanted to pop back in. I'm sure that some of you all may have noticed I am missing a few of the visuals that are included in this category. I am working on those, and as soon as I have those, I will post those for you all in the community tab, so make sure that you all stay tuned and check over there as well. Now also, don't forget, I have already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list video for this week at Dollar General. We have tons of new clearance markdowns, and we have a penny list for this week. So if you've missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because this week at Dollar General is going to be absolutely crazy. Your girl has all kinds of videos planned out for you all, so make sure that you stay tuned. We do have that 7-day Dollar General clearance event coming up, and I am super excited about that. But that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found it helpful. I know that a lot of people are going to be out there looking for those paper plates, and everybody's wanting to snag them at a really good price. So let me know if you're excited about these items down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.